Hi, this is Brent Ferguson, and just wanted to take time to show you a brief introduction to my online digital portfolio. As you can see here, my beautiful family, my son Jesse, my son Isaac, and my son Zeke, and my wife Annalie. Um, Wanted to also just show you a little introduction to myself. It shows here, my name is David Brent Ferguson. I actually go by my middle name, Brent. I currently work for Houston Christian University's Pampel Online Division as the Director of Online Consulting. I reside in Bedford, Virginia, and manage a team remotely. I have three sons, one of which we adopted from foster care. My wife and I have been foster parents in Bedford County since October of 2019. I received my bachelor's of business administration and marketing at Liberty University and currently working on my master's science in online learning technology and design with Houston Christian University. I enjoy renovating homes to flip for profit, playing guitar, and singing at my local church, archery, carpentry, and spending time with my family. And you can see all this in the first part here under the introduction. To get a glimpse of my resume, you can see everything here, a professional picture, just myself, along with my LinkedIn profile, as well as my separate email and phone number with a brief description of my last three places of employment, considering that I've worked in higher education for almost 10 to 11 years. And then under the LTDE 5302 projects tab, you'll see a overview of the different things that we've done in this course. I have outlined our unit plan and the various stages with the rubric, the tease video that we worked on as well. I have also linked each digital tool that was used for each individual project and linked the site for anyone who wants to know how to do this if they do view my portfolio. Digital tools, tutorial introduction, Microsoft Sway, and again shows the link of the tool. And then our group presentation with Microsoft Sway. And really my reflections of the course. Thoroughly enjoyed my time in this course and the tools that I've learned to use. It's great as someone like myself who trains sales staff and needs ways to make training courses better. I am excited to see how I can apply this to my professional career while being in the program. So this is a brief introduction. You can see my different competencies based off of previous and current um, programs and software used, and I do look forward to adding to this competency list as I move forward in this program. Thank you for taking the time to view. Hope you have a great day.